Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create workflows in HubSpot. Workflows are powerful automation tools that streamline your processes, saving your team valuable time. They ensure consistency across your operations by automating repetitive tasks. You can use them to send automated emails, update contact properties, or even create follow-up tasks for your sales team, making your work much more efficient and organized. To begin, navigate to the Automation section in your HubSpot portal and select Workflows. Next, you will choose the type of workflow you want to create, such as a contact-based or company-based workflow. The most crucial step is selecting your starting trigger, which defines precisely when a contact or company will enroll in your automation sequence, ensuring timely actions. Once your trigger is set, you can start adding actions to your workflow. These actions can include sending automated emails, updating property values, or creating tasks for your team members. For more complex scenarios, utilize if/then branches to create conditional logic, allowing different paths based on specific criteria. You can also add delays for a set number of days or hours. Before activating, thoroughly review all the steps and actions within your workflow to ensure everything is correct. Pay close attention to the enrollment settings, deciding if contacts can re-enroll multiple times or just once. Once you are confident in your setup, simply turn on your workflow. It will then begin automating your processes, saving you significant effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.